Hey guys, it's JC Chandler back again. I am jumping on just to show you guys what I've been up to. I've been making some different pendants and I'm pretty happy with what I have so far, and just wanted to show it and share it with you guys. This is a wood blank that I'll be offering. It is engraved, but I have stained it of a nice little mask. Simple. Well, it wasn't simple to actually create it, but it took a little bit of work, but it's a simple looking one. However, you can do so many things with it, like just a stain. I stained the back. This is a clay gray type stain. And then this was the very first thing I did, did some chrome marker on the wood blank. Actually a black paint with chrome marker, made it into earrings, but I'm not sure I like it as earrings. And this was a test. So then I did this one, and then I did it in gold, which I'm liking the gold. I'm not sure that I like it as earrings. I'm thinking I want it more as a pendant, but you guys tell me what you think. Earrings, pendant, silver or gold, plain. Now what I initially was starting out was, I want to make some men's pendants, right? These look girly, so I understand that, but this is more of the men's pendant that I was looking for. And I did it in, now this is 2 pieces glued together, right? And made it look more like a bone bead, right? I'm not going to do much else to it. I coated it with a matte finish. I may roughen and make it nice and smooth around the edges, but this was pretty much the second. So first, second, third, last, okay? And then playing around with some different shapes. These are some funky shapes, really different shapes that I am sure I'm going to work with again. So here's one. These are finished pieces, and I did these in, this is a 2-inch piece, I think, maybe 1.5. I think this is a 1.5 inch size, but it would be, no, actually 2 inches. Okay, so I think I made them also in 2.5 inches, but I decided to work with the smaller one. And then I, did my little thing with it. So I think I like that one. And this is another shape. I put some little butterflies on there. Give it a little glimmer under that resin. And I finished it on the back. That's white paint on the back. All of these are white paint, not permanent marker like I sometimes like to use. And then here's one with some stickers on it. Another one of this shape. These two are the same shape. So I like those. Those will be on the website soon. And then here's my pride and joy, and I'm gonna tell you why. I wanted to do a men's pendant, and these are my men's pendants that I will show you in just a second. Let me move these out of the way. And I am always thinking ahead of time, so I'm thinking Father's Day pendants, right? I'm working on a gift package for the men. Now, you saw these, and they're pretty basic, right? Small. They can be a pendant. I'm working on some other ideas to use this with for the gentlemen. So more to come on these. I really like these faces. I'm pretty proud of myself on those. And this one, again, pretty simple. I think this is more so what I was going for in the very beginning, to make it look more like a bone bead. And I think it still needs a little bit of work, but I'm not going to put resin on it because it's going to make it too shiny. So there's that one. But these are, let's see, where's the first one? I think this is the first one I tried. And I had one of my spacers and decided, how do I want to put a bead in here. This is a shape that I'll be offering as well in multiple sizes. I want to put a bead in here. How do I do it? And I want it to not be just a same old tiger eye. And so I wanted to show you guys how you could use this. This is, I think, was it 2 inches? Yes, that's 2 inches. And it is a pendant. And it can be smaller. I just haven't done it in smaller size, right? My last pendants were 3 inches long. And let's see, where are they? But if I'm going to wrap it, and it's a man's necklace, unless this is going to be a chunky necklace for a man, I want this one to be smaller. So I decided to make it a 2 inch. So this is a spider stone in there, and I put some jump rings of different colors in here. These are being held down with some Duraclear matte, and I was just playing around. This was a test. I used the spacer to hold the bead in, and then I dropped some glue in there. So if you want this shape, let me know. It's not on the site yet. I wanted to get my pictures done first. I believe this is the set. Yeah, let me show you these next. Now I haven't finished these, but these I decided they're all going to be leather backed. All right, so I got different color leathers on the back. These are truly hand artisan, and I'm gonna tell you why. These are just one of a kind. Whatever the backing it is, right? Whatever the staining it is. As I create them, that's how they come out. Can they be replicated? They can. So if you think that you like these and you want some leather as well, I have leather, and I can send, if you order these pieces, I can send you a leather piece that will fit the backing, and you can do the work yourself. These are jump rings. Now I am loving this one. First of all, green is my color. I love it in any form. That's green. It feels nice and full of suede feel, nice and soft to the touch. And I wanted this to be soft, right? Smooth to the touch, not scratchy. So let me tell you what I did. First of all, this is a brass findings, all brass jump rings, brass, and then the brass ball chain. This is, see the 2 layers? There's the wood and then there's the leather. And I actually put some work into this. I put some beeswax on the edge. I did the whole leather artisan thing, okay? Got my beeswax. I rubbed it on the ends, varnished it, nice and smooth. This is luxury, okay? Luxury. When you feel it, it's quality. This was truly handmade, and it is soft to the touch. That is what I was going for. So I decided to do it again with copper. I mean, all of this has been varnished with beeswax, stained. It's got that true leather. Look at that color. And I was initially going to drop a faceted red tiger eye in there, but I wanted the leather to shine through. So that's my thinking behind that. And I'm waiting for some ball chains that are going to be copper to come, and this will be the other one, right? I did do this this is another copper, but this is what it looks like with the stone, with the bead in there, right? Beautiful black leather, artisan leather treated. I have the beeswax all around the edges, smooth. This is so nice in the hand. So true leather work in this one. This one as well, different leather, nice and smooth. This one has the tiger eye in it. This one has a brass in it. I haven't put the jump ring on it, but this, I was working on the leather, smoothing down the leather and giving it that smooth touch. All right. And the jump rings I'll put on here, or I may put thread. I have not made a final decision on that. And then there's that one. So here's my beauties. I am in love with these. These shapes are going on the site in the next few minutes. If the link's not in the bottom down there, it will be shortly. And here's that. I'm excited about my men's collection, which is coming soon. And when I say men's collection, I mean I'm creating the end piece. And if you guys are interested in creating this, I can offer the blanks to this as well. And then here's the gold. This is just another way of doing it. This can go on here and match. If you want to do it as a gentleman's pendant, I would change that jump ring to something more like that. And then these are shapes as well that I'm going to for sure put on the website for you guys. So anyway, that's what I've been up to. Now, away from the pendants, let me show you some of the beads that I have been playing around with, and believe that the next create along will be on that, which are these. So I painted some, you might have seen something posted with me painting some white beads, and I put some, let me see, some foils on here. All right, this is not finished. I was playing around with some foils on how to get them done. This is with double-sided tape, right? And I did put a finish on there. So there's some mistakes happening here, but I'm really loving what I found, what I learned. I want to really do a collection of the foils. And there's another one with the foils. And then I did this one with nail stickers, and I'm going to varnish that. So this is the next create along right here. All right, so if you're interested in that, go ahead and excuse me, comment below and let me know which one you want to see first. I'm probably going to do one or the other, and then maybe follow up with so do the foil here, and then the double-sided tape here, and then the nail stickers. It's probably going to just take a little bit longer to do them all. So if you're interested in seeing these, let me know, guys. All right. And then other than that, oh, here's my big thing I wanted to announce, because I have an abundance of some material, some fabrics, and I posted on my website already that I have these available. So we all love our gold metallic fabrics, right? And I just want to make sure y'all see it in real life. So there's that. It's black with gold stars. That's one. You got the orange with silver. Check that out. That's beautiful. I'm going to be doing some of the pieces that I just showed you, or even some that I already have. Gluing the fabric onto the wood onto the wood, and then cutting out my blank. And then here is the gold, and I believe there's one more that I can't seem to find. Where's my red one? Oh, it's wrapped up in the orange, in the orange one. Okay, so that gold one, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my God. Look at that. I love that. And then here's the red one with gold. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you're interested in any of these, let me know, because they are on the website and available in 12 by 12 pieces. And if you're interested in more, then let me know and we can make it happen. All right, guys, go create something amazing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.